I just finished another Rolife book nook, and I think you're really going to like this one.
Books, coffee, tea, all of these things are favorites of mine. So this little book nook by Rolife called the Holiday Cafe is a must build for me. Rolife kits are always packaged so incredibly neatly. It makes for a really pleasant opening experience. Okay, let's check out these directions. As always, they have the piece that you're working on will be highlighted in color, which I do think helps cut down on the distraction and help you know what step you're on. Leo came to help. Look at this adorable little cafe bunny. Ah, my favorite color, yellow. Our light kit, stickers, which will be important, some other stickers, and pieces that we'll need. And this will be important. Some clear pieces. Very, very, very key that you don't lose any of this, which is why it's nice to put it all back in the box. And then, of course, all of the wood pieces. Leo is determined to help. I use that term loosely. We are ready to build. This type of light is a little trickier to test because you have to have the correct color of wires touching, but I did want to show you that it works, because you should always test that before you start.
Here we have the battery case, an adorable little counter, piece of the flooring, and a window. Time to assemble some of this. Just a quick view of the pieces put together. Check out the cutest little cafe bunny. Ready for some coffee. We have vines, our little cafe bunny, and a table with coffee and croissants and a little cake. Just too cute. I've made quite a bit of progress here. We have the light. Honestly, I was so caught up in the build, I forgot to stop and take a picture. We did these plants and these adorable little bags. We have the back part here through the window. This one is really a lot of fun to build so far. Just in case someone else needs a little tip, because it took me a couple of minutes to figure this out, the wires go through the center of this. And then you will have this one here, and the red and black wire will feed down to where you will have two sticking out here, just in case someone else needs a tip. The Rolife Holiday Cafe Book Nook is finished. I can't say enough nice things about this book nook. Look at these details, the adorable little cafe bunny, the shopping bags, the inside of the shop in there with all of the goodies lined up, and the little espresso machine. We have a book back there to read. And what is really fun is that you can see through the window into the cafe area, or over here back outside where the little bunny sits enjoying afternoon coffee and treats. This was a fun build. I highly recommend it, and I can't wait to find a place to put it on my bookshelf.